The man who wrote with one eye. Jean-Dominique Bauby, who was also known as Jean Doe. He was a very famous personality in French media. He was the editor-in-chief of LA, which was the French top fashion magazine. He lived a vibrant life full of art, literature, good food, and loved for his two children. But at the age of 43, when he was truly at the peak of his career, a tragic thing happened. On December 8, 1995,
Everything changed.
when he was driving with his son, Jean Doe suffered a massive brainstem stroke, which slipped him into a coma for 20 days. And when he woke up from the coma, his world was silent.
Docteur, docteur. Qu'est-ce qui
He developed a Locked-in syndrome, a rare neurological condition where the entire body was paralyzed. The mind was still conscious and awake, but he cannot move, he cannot speak. Only one thing that he can move was his left eyelid. Initially, doctor thought that he was in a vegetative state in which he was unable to hear, feel, or respond. But Jean Doe was completely alive. He could hear every word, feel every emotion, and remember every detail. Days, weeks, and months were passed until one day, speech therapist named Claude noticed something other had missed. Jean's eye blinked in response to sound and patterns. The tiny blink became his lifeline. Claude designed a custom communication system that was called Silent Alphabet, based on most frequently used alphabets in French. She would slowly recite the letters, and Jean would blink when the correct one was spoken. Like that, it was slow, each word took minutes, and each sentence could take up half an hour. But slowly, over the course of 10 months, letter by letter, blink by blink, Jean dictated an entire book, 138 pages long. The book was titled The Diving Bell and the Butterfly. The diving bell symbolized his heavy, unmoving body, the prison. The butterfly was his mind that was still free and still flying. In that book, he poured his soul, memories, regrets, beauty, pain, and the stillness of a life lived inside. I decided to stop pitying myself. Other than my eye, two things aren't paralyzed: my imagination and my memory. Tragically, Jean Doe passed away just 2 days after the book was published, but his words, born from silence, echoed across the world. His memoir became a bestseller and later a critically acclaimed Oscar-nominated film. Jean-Dominique Bauby reminded the world that even when the body is silent, the human spirit still speaks loudly, bravely, and beautifully.